You're not going to believe this, but everyone is wrong about which social media platforms actually drive car sales. The truth might surprise you. Most people think it's all about Facebook and Instagram when it comes to driving car sales. But hold on. Studies show that LinkedIn might just be the secret weapon you didn't even know about. Imagine your average car buyer scrolling through their feed and coming across targeted ads specifically tailored for them. This kind of personalization works wonders. And also, what about TikTok? It's not just for dancing. Engaging quick videos showcasing cars can lead to massive interest. Ever seen a car get unveiled in 15 seconds? It's eye-catching. And don't underestimate YouTube. 83% of car buyers watch video reviews before they even purchase. So brands need to get creative. Think live demos, customer testimonials, and maybe even influencer partnerships. The truth is, your ideal customer is everywhere. Tapping into niche platforms can bring surprising results and boost those sales like never before. Do me a favor, click the link below for my daily dealership content planner and thank me later.